In September of 1982, the Alpena Figure Skating Club Board of Directors presented to Elroy Downey, a longtime skater and instructor, a Traveling Trophy named in his honor. Every year since, it is awarded to a skater selected by the Board of Directors with assistance from the instructors. Any member of the club may nominate a skater for the board to consider. The criteria includes: the skater must be devoted and dedicated to the sport of figure skating. The skater must reflect a positive and healthy attitude, and the skater must show a sincere effort to achieve excellence in the sport of figure skating. Presenting the Elroy Downing Award